a glow up, major glow up, but I use it, nakakahiya, hindi ko pwede. So, hindi pwedeng maarawan. Tumakbo kayo sa araw. O mag-ano kayo, tawag nito, mag-umbrella, or mag-hat. Or, pakita ko, wait lang, meron ako, nasa bag ko. Ay, ano ba yan? I'll be back. Pakita ko sa yung, ano ko. Abi. Sumugat na siya. Anong sinugot niya? Wait lang. TJ Montero and KZ World Tour. Okay. Na. Usapan tayo dyan. Ang galing-galing ni John, diba? Iba talaga si John. Idol. Si Gummy Bears. Because talagang that's what you call survival of the fittest in show business. Kailangan gumawa ka ng way to, how do I say, express your creativity and being an artist. And John's a good actor, plus he's a director. Oh, sumasayaw pa. Tapos napakahusay pa na asawa. Diba? Kaya si Isabel Oli, ganda-ganda lang sa TikTok. Yan. So anyway, going back to the sun, John, kailangan mo maging vain. Kailangan ng This is Pro Cut Whitening Patch Churut ng Maya. And I use this when nobody is looking. Because I cover myself from the sun. So pag bumabiyahe ako and it's my day off, and I want to go around and enjoy life, I use this to cover my forehead and stuff like that. Of course, I have my sunblock, but then when it's like extreme heat, and I'm with my team, and hindi naman ako pwedeng KJ kasi sinasamahan nila ako sa lahat ng bagay, kailangan ko din sila samahan. Pero minsan, ang mga pinipili nilang mga places is not for me. And then this one is called Naked. Because it's naked. It's like a transparent sun shield peptide, omnipeptide patch. And then you put it on your face and everything. And then I use that. And the sun does not penetrate the skin. So that is always in my bag. Because hindi tayo papayag. Hindi tayo talaga papayag. Hindi tayo pwedeng pumayag sa mga moments of strategy. Strategic movements of the mind. Dami nang sinabi. Okay, so bilang tinamaan ng asteroid yung ipin ko, kailangan ko pumunta sa CAD clinic. I know, it's the glow milk. Ito talaga ang sekreto ng lahat. Kaya lang, actually, pag-joke sana ako, bawal umulan. Kundi, hulas. But, in fairness, it's matte. So, it's transfer free. So, I'm very confident to wear black and stuff like that. Okay. Alright. What day is it today? Don't forget Heart World is on Saturday. Heart World this season is so fun. I truly enjoy it. And it's nakakabitin because we only have 27 minutes to air an episode, and you can only imagine the length and the what do you call that? What's the word for it? The material that we have is so much. So, Mavi, hello. Hello. Anong sunglasses ko? This is my favorite YSL glasses, the one that you guys helped me sold out. It was my very first Heart Made Me Do It moment, but this is in red. So, I don't know how you can find it because I don't really see it in the store, but if you ask for the photo, okay, take a photo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you ask them, I think they can find it in the outlet. Because I think that's what I do sometimes. If I want something that's off-season and I want it cheaper, I ask the SA to go find it in the outlet. And it's so much cheaper. Minus the tax of, like, when you fly back. Girl math. Renz, you have to go to my sale. I have so much stuff that you might like And I have a lot of friends that are selling their stuff too. So you will have men's stuff. What's your shoe size? I'm just curious. My sale is gonna be around April, but oh my god, it's so hard because honestly, I have a really hard time, what do you call this? Saying goodbye to my stuff because I love them. But if it would make other people happy and magagamit nila and ano mo yun, then go for it. But I have like a mix. I have a mix of like super high end, and then I have a mix of like 100 pesos, 500 pesos. I have a whole lot of camiseta stuff because when I was working with camiseta, they would give me so much. In fact, parang may credits pa ako. Dapat kunin ko, kaya lang parang dinaya ko sila. Kasi kung kinuha ko sa kanila, tapos binenta ko doon, hindi ko na, parang naging reseller. But anyway, I have so much stuff that I had to model for camiseta before that I'm selling everything there. Some have my paintings, some don't, because I keep all of my paintings just for my archive. But there's so much, and they're all like 300. May mga costs. Sobrang dami kong costs because I shop a lot at costs. And I have... Hi! Hi! It's my cat. It's my cat. Hi, Joey. Hi. Babies. It's your babies. Can you say hi, babies? Can you say hi, babies? Can you say hi? It's my cat. Gagas kasi yun. This is Chloe. Chloe pangalan niya kasi kala ko lalaki, babae siya. Pero lalaki pala siya. Napulot ko lang to sa ano, napulot ko lang. Aso ka, di ba? Aso ka? Ay, aso siya. Kaya, nilalamutan ko siya. Kaya lang kagat ako. Weird. Sabi, wow, wow. Napulot ko lang yan. Tinan mo, ang gwapo-gwapo na yan. Kaya lang nangangalmot. Pero may injection ako. Anyway, I gotta go, guys. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Tignan mo, binagaluhan pa siya ng opulence ng Versace na ano. Oh, regalo lang siya ng opulence. Versace na necklace. Gwapo-gwapo. Tignan mo, diba? Ang sabi ko sa kanya, galing siya sa Africa. Hindi niya na alam na galing lang siya sa Cubao. No? You don't know that you came from Cubao? Tignan mo. Gwapo-gwapo. Halika dito. Come here. Come on. Okay, I gotta go. I really have to go. Kagatin mo. Kagatin mo. Sige, kamutin mo kami ko. Kamutin mo kami ko. Para sa'yo, okay yan. Ay, shush. Ay, shush. Kanal ng cat. Kasi nakaka-sustain siya ng... And nag-pause siya. So, I'm so excited to sell my stuff, and I'm so excited that other people will be able to get to wear stuff that brought me magic, luck. And a lot of those pieces are when I was like 19, mga ganyan. Kaya nga nasasaktan ako pag 300, 100, ganyan. Could you show us the spelling of the spray sunblock in pink? It's Luxel. Ano ba yan? Luxel Milk Glow. Got it? You can go to SM Beauty. They have it there. And you have in Glorieta. You could also visit Luxel Instagram account. And then, para ma-achieve nyo na. Okay? Okay, guys. Yes, nakinig na ako kay Angelica Panganiban. Magla-live selling na talaga ako. Pero hindi siya live selling. Mag-ano lang ako. Okay, gotta go. Can you go visit my OOTD